everyone, welcome back. Is Cash App identity verification failing or saying your information does not match? There are two device level things that cause this and that you can fix in your iPhone settings before you try again. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable before attempting verification. Verification requires a live data check against government records. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data drop will cause it to time out and show an error that looks like a data mismatch. Then, go to your settings app, go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off and back on. Or switch to mobile data and wait 10 seconds before trying again. Secondly, on settings, go to general, scroll down to date and time and make sure that set automatically is turned on. Incorrect device time is a surprisingly common cause of verification failures. The live identity check uses a timestamp, and if your iPhone time is wrong, the check fails. Thirdly, make sure no VPN is running. In the settings app, go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management, and then turn off any active VPN. After fixing all of these three things, go back to the Cash App and attempt the verification again. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, correct date of birth, and 9 full digit SSN without any dashes. So, all you gotta do is make sure to put a strong connection, correct date and time, VPN off, then enter your legal name, correct date of birth, and full SSN.